Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and I'm so happy to quickly catch him because he's very busy. He's been doing some incredible work and continues to do so. What a year. Mary, you've had Shaitan, you
Yeah.
of course had Railwaymen. It's been the kind of year that every actor wants. Tell me your thoughts on it.
I feel very privileged. I've done 4 films in 14 years. So my wife is bored of seeing me at home. She said, "Jao bahar kaam karo." So now I've been doing and done quite a bit in the last 2 years. So
All have been doing it.
yeah, God's grace, fingers crossed. Yeah.
I mentioned two of the incredible work that you've done. How do you feel about these particular roles getting so much love? You know what I mean?
Well, as an actor, one wishes that all the roles get as much acceptance. But when they are very different from the grain of work that you've been doing, it's even more rewarding.
Fantastic. You're at OTT. I would like to say, how do you think OTT has revolutionized the filmmaking content?
The one thing that it's done is given opportunities for people who under normal circumstances without OTT would not have got as much exposure and become stars, which is very good because true talent like this also needs to be recognized. And so you've got some great contemporaries of mine who are doing brilliantly, and I'm happy to see their work, and the competition becomes tougher.
I'm letting you go, but I have to say, everybody is talking about your glowing skin and how you look ageless, okay? Number one, and there's no makeup, I can see it. I'm adding it for people who think there is. And on top of that, people are always hoping that we need to have you do a proper rom-com or a proper romantic drama. Tell us it's happening.
As soon as I find an age-appropriate heroine, it will happen.
See? Now you know you have very less actors who also keep that in mind. But thank you, my dear love. Can you tell me the impact that you felt OTT has been doing and how it changed your life?
See, one thing I would say is OTT is definitely a plus point for everybody because A, it's got a wider audience. B, your work is being seen and spoken about. And I'm not saying only the Hindi belt, I'm saying even the South belt. There's so many fabulous content that's coming up. A lot of wonderful people that are there. And by people, I mean like technicians. You have good directors coming, upcoming directors. You have fabulous artists that are coming up. It can also be a DOP, it can be anybody. So the technicians so it's a whole team as such. And definitely if something it's caught somebody's eye, it's spoken about. Yeah. And so people would log in and see, okay, kaun hai, ye kya hai, kaun hai, what is happening. And again, I'm not exclusively saying it only for the Hindi belt. The regional also have come up with such wonderful content. Some original content obviously has come up. So it's great. I think OTT in that way is fabulous. So and I'm happy that, Raj sir, DK sir, Suman, all of them have got the awards for Guns and Globes. So it's great. Honestly speaking, yes, I did like Citadel. Though I have not told them till now, but I'm going to tell them when I meet them during shoot, which is going to be very soon. Yeah. But apart from that, I liked Hira Mandi also. I like Tanav. So, yeah.
Absolutely. You spoke about shoot. There's a shoot happening with Raj, of course, Rakta Brahmand, and other shoots are also happening. Tell us a little on that. Give us a little dope.
Family Man 3 is happening for me, and then I'm doing a couple of wonderful projects down south, and then there is another OTT show, but I won't be able to talk about it right now. I'll talk about it when time comes.
Okay, fair enough. Before I let you go, I must say, if there's an actor with whom you would like to swap your life with for even one day, who would that be and why?
Who else?
Of course, our Jawan. Our Jawan, SRK.
My chief.
My G forever. But there's so many rumors of the thing that Atlee sir is already working on Jawan 2 and all of that is happening.
That you'll have to ask Atlee sir about it.
Nice,
Or Sanya is right there, so you can ask her when she comes.
Very nice, but thank you. It's always lovely bumping into you. So, ma'am, I want to know, how did OTT impact your career? And I know there is some fantastic work that you already done, but आपके ज़ुबानी सुनना चाहेंगे?
मेरे ख्याल से OTT ने सबको बहुत मुतासिर किया है, बहुत इम्पैक्ट किया है. And OTT has reached households. So you become household names just because there's a popular show that people love to watch you in. And fortunately, I've been nominated for a film that's very close to my heart, which is on OTT. And now I'm a part of Bandish Bandits. I've been an ardent admirer of that show. And this time, all the nominations that you see, one after the other, you feel like they've reached your heart and your households. So I think a great impact.
You have some favorites?
Lots of favorites. Panchayat was one. Hira Mandi was another. So, yeah.
We are obviously cheering for you, ma'am, and I hope that we get to see even more fantastic. Thank you so much, ma'am. My guest is obviously celebrated, loved, and so much has happened for him through an OTT series called Hira Mandi. Of course, we are celebrating Taha. This just changed your life, didn't it?
The love has changed my life. Mr. Bhansali has changed my life. So a big thank you to Mr. Bhansali, sir, for everything that you've done.
You have endless nominations. How does that work?
again, Mr. Bhansali is king. I mean, you know, without him fronting this show, we would never have such a blockbuster, a global blockbuster.
Tell me one thing. You have seen the love post Hiramandi. You have seen the love that continues, right? You're right now nominated. Your whole series is. People are still talking about Hiramandi. What's going to happen next? You know, why was he killed off? Have you all thought about all these consequences when the discussions came up?
मैं तो पहले दिन से सोच रहा हूँ कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या होगा. वो तो शूट होने से पहले ही मैं सोच रहा था. But of course, नहीं, मैं डिस्कस कुछ नहीं कर सकता. ये सिर्फ सर ही डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. But of course, I would hope to keep working and doing something great with Mr. Switzer again, of course.
Some fun questions. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. An actor that you absolutely loved this year for his performance.
Performance. I would have to say I've enjoyed the whole show. Railwaymen. I've enjoyed IC8142, but Railwaymen has always been like my top. And 4 episodes में क्या दिखा दिया, so I feel all of them have done a really good job.
Taha shares best chemistry with Dash.
He shares best chemistry with beautiful women.
So smart. If you get to swap your life with an actor, who would you pick and why?
You see, I have got inspiration from so many actors that the dream is to get all their good qualities and make yourself as good so that people want to be you.
Dropping all these superb answers, but very diplomatic. But thank you, and have a great night ahead. With me is an actor who has always been fearless and has been doing crazy stuff. फिल्मों में, OTT में, हर जगह में. लेकिन OTT में उन्होंने ऐसे किरदार दिए हैं जिसे हम बहुत बहुत प्यार करते हैं और उन साथ में हथौड़ा लेके भी घूमते हैं. Hi.
थैंक यू रुद्रानी, तुम मेरे घर आई थी, सो यू शुड नो दैट आई डोंट हैव एनी हथौड़ास. इवन मैं घर पे भी नहीं है यार.
घर पे नहीं है, ये मैं बता सकती हूँ. But it's great, right? Whenever you come to OTT, it's always special, right?
या ऑफ कोर्स मैंने.
You know, Amol was telling me how proud he is when he sees me and your journey and
Who?
Amol Palase.
Of course. I mean, it's a very, very dear friend. I think what's happened is OTT की वजह से all of us old friends, Jaideep, Vijay, me, Amol, and many more, Avinash, Divendu. I mean, I think we all have been knowing each other since many, many years, and now finally we have a platform, we have a space to showcase our talent. फिल्मों में तो करते ही हैं, but OTT में एक अलग, you know, जैसे कहते हैं रस मिलता है करने को. Yeah.
मैं जल्दी से छोटे-छोटे सवाल कर लेती हूँ, आप बहुत अच्छा आंसर करते हो. So let's go. Okay. Abhishek, a performance that you find inspiring this year. A performance you found very inspiring this year.
Does Janeja count in this year? Yeah, Jaideep Ahlawat.
All right. The next one is, if you had to swap your life with another actor, who would you pick and why?
Shah Rukh Khan, of course. Like, who doesn't want to live like a king?
That's good. Absolutely. Who according to you is an underrated actor?
Underrated actor.
प्यार मिलना चाहिए और.
I feel Shreya Dhanvantri. I think she's a very, very, very. I think she's a kick-ass actor, and I think she should get more roles, and she should, you know, get roles which are centered to her. Yeah, I'm also saying that as a casting director.
Validation of another kind. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great night ahead, and we are very proud of you.